Yeah. So in this demo, I will be AI product owner in my financial services company HR department, and I will show you. It's my responsibility as a product owner to make sure that my AI governance or governance of my own product follows really the company's AI governance process and policies. So for that reason, I've been already registering my new system that the team is building. It's an help chatbot to support employees find HR-related policies information easier. So I have registered the system in the inventory on Saidot, provided some basic information about the system and its purpose. And now I'm really getting started with risk management of this system. So really, let's have a look how does it happen on the product. And first thing, I know that in this context we're using OpenAI's model GPT for Omni Mini to implement this service. So I will just start by linking this system into this model that I have in the model catalog on Saidot side. This is what is I have already integration to Foundry, and I have visibility to the models that the team is really using to build different applications. And sorry. Okay, there it is. Answer employee questions about HR policies. So question answering is a task that I'm interested about here. And now you can see the system is now linked to the model in model catalog, directly retrieved from Foundry. And you see that also the data set that is linked to this specific deployment is inherited to this system. I will start by looking a little bit into this model in the model catalog. So we bring information from Foundry, OpenAI services to Saidot to have visibility what is the status there. There is base model information deployment. But what I'm most interested in here is the pre-populated risks. So Saidot provides from a model library information about the risks that the provider OpenAI has communicated to be part of or related to using this model. So I will start my risk management by looking into these inherited risks from the model. So let's go back to my my system where I just added this one, and I see that also the risks are now inherited to my system and use case that is using this deployment specifically. So now we have defined the deployment, we have the task that is relevant for this specific system, and we have the risks that are inherited from this, this deployment and model to this system. So we're ready to get started with evaluations. And really, through the technical evaluations, we really want to provide visibility into what is the likelihood of these risks in the context of my system. And for that, Saidot automatically generates me evaluation plans that are relevant for this specific context of using this model. I can see from here that now we automatically got 8 different evaluation plans for this system, considering this information about the tasks. So we have a bunch of quality evaluations looking into question answering task and different capabilities. All of these are linked also to Saidot risk library. So we can see to which risks we can use these different evaluators and evaluations as evidence. I also have a couple of red teaming evaluations suggested for me, and I'm now diving into one of these. I'm really a little bit concerned about the harmful content related to this service. So I will just get started activating this evaluation plan, and from here I can see the context that is coming from my system for this evaluation, the risks that are linked to this specific case, and then what evaluations, what risks we can evaluate this or get evidence for. I also see the dataset requirements that are required for this specific evaluation to be successfully run in Azure side, and then have options how to generate evaluation dataset for my evaluation. I don't have a dataset now for this one, so I'm really happy to be able to use the opportunity to simulate dataset for this use case. So let's go on and use the Azure capabilities for simulated adversarial datasets. Now I will just go and pick my let me see, project ID from Foundry to connect the results to this specific project, and now I'm ready to generate the notebook. So really, while generating, we really want to make the notebook almost ready for executing in Azure side. So so now we have that ready. We can download that and finish the activation of this this evaluation plan. So let's have a look at the notebook, and really the idea here, I will not go into details, but we've used everything that we already know from you, subscription IDs like the connections, project names. We select the risk categories for these evaluations. We have the attack strategies, and there is also identifier that helps you connect the results then from Azure side to Saidot evaluation plans. So now the team can run this evaluation. Sorry, wrong browser. Run this evaluation then, and we can see that this activated evaluation plan is now pending report. So whenever the team has run these evaluations then in Azure side, I will jump to other version of this where we have already pre-run evaluations. So every run in Azure side creates a new report inside it that is connected to the specific evaluation plan, and we can go on and see how the results look like for this specific evaluation. You have all the details about the plan and also this specific report on the left-hand side, and from here I can see how does it perform related to these 4 different evaluators: violent content, self-harm content, hateful, unfair content, and sexual content attacks. And now it looks to me that there is a little bit work to do in the hateful and unfair content side, and that is something that I would then ask the team to look into safety filters there. We, after being able to, or after running the evaluations, then based on the changes that have been done, for example, adding content filters or other technical controls, we can then compare the results and see that we were able to do a little bit impact, but maybe some more tuning is needed to really make this production ready. With this, really, we want to make the workflows between the data scientists, AI teams, and then compliance like super easy, and generate the evaluation plans ready for clients so that they are execution ready, generate notebooks that are not just examples, but really ready for execution, and bring the results back, populate the evidence then to risk management and compliance processes inside it. Thank you.